Size Super Simple Recipes number 19. Party Nachos. It's the middle of August here and it should be glorious sunshine, but it's pissing down with rain and it's grey and horrible. So since we've been doing some slightly more complex dishes lately, I thought we'd do something that's completely simple. I've got some guacamole, some salsa, some sour cream and chive, I've got some mozzarella, I've got some cheddar cheese and I've got some nachos. The only preparation work required for this is to grate some of the cheese and to shred up the mozzarella. So I'll get on with doing that, and meanwhile have a look at the beautiful weather here, for fuck's sake. I've grated the cheddar, shredded the mozzarella. Lovely simple one this is. Excellent if you're having a barbecue or if you're watching Netflix because there's shit on the telly, or you're having a beer. You dump all your nachos into a dish, an oven proof dish. Spread them out a bit so they're sort of level. Doesn't matter which order you do these in. What you want to do now is just get some little lumps of each one. This is the guacamole, and sort of dump it all around the place. No rhyme or reason to it. You may find when you do this that some of the nachos go a little bit soggy. But I don't care about that, because they'll be covered in cheese. Probably enough guacamole. Put a bit in that corner. Do the same with a bit of salsa. Brilliant this, you don't have to prepare hardly anything yourself. You buy it all in the supermarket, just chuck it on out of the pots. Obviously whatever's left over, stick it in the fridge and use it for something else later. Come on, it's fine. This is the sour cream and chive. I've actually used a mild salsa on this, but obviously if you like it red hot, have it red hot. Fantastic colours, isn't it? I'm going to sort of pretty much cover almost everything. It's not looking too bad. And spread your mozzarella around a bit. You can add more mozzarella and more cheese if you want, because this hopefully will protect most of the nachos underneath from actually burning, which we don't really want. That'll make it all gooey and stretchy and lovely. As you can see, that's probably not a very healthy option, but who cares? Because when the weather's really awful outside, everyone wants a bit of party food, don't they? And then sprinkle over your cheddary cheesy bit. And they're going to bung this into the oven about 180 to 200. It will normally take maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. And what you're looking for obviously is a nice browned, cheesy, crusty bit on the top. But it's hardly taxing it and assembling your dish. Get a bit on that one there. Here we are, everything's covered. We'll stick that in the oven and see what we get in 20 minutes. So our nachos have been in now for 20 minutes. Let's see what we've got. Perfect. Size super simple party nachos, job done. Now it's time for beer.